president and his wife. Etumi kojiska. Now, you see a discount koye see. Now at the end of the day, you diverted sa loan and they are the fufro. Now, a Kufuado comes. Okoji loan saw the year we are, and no day. Or yes, we a commission my near Juma. Unlike in Crawford, almost commission, yeah, so nothing, nothing happened. Yeah, well, on the catcher and say, whole airport, a duly commissioned, you yate. Plain and to order 6 years. But they claim it was duly commissioned. Yeah, a container. And the day you be too, so on your catcher said that is control tower. Ghana Airport Company na sika yenya say the way a who omunya oil no munya ade na ho be viable internet dey say yenya say yebenya aerodrome wa e ba na critical e betum dey ayeden e dey afa ne aman dey afa passengers dey about na business etumi akoso ho. Then all you needed to do as a government was to supervise it like Akufo-Addo has done in Kumasi to make sure say the project comes to a completion. You are not able to do that. You are not able to do that. And then you go and commission it. Not plain M2. You commission it because the people there don't even understand what an aerodrome is, or they don't understand. You're taking them for granted. Oh, wait a minute. In your airport here, this is how they see us. This is how NDCC are. Because if you have respect for your constituents, you will not go and do that shabby thing and call it, say, you have opened an airport for them. It's very dishonest. But again, like I said, the Ghana man is not about moving Ghana forward. The Ghana man is about moving his stomach forward. That is why most of them who are before I do train, I generally when it's in and they said, "Who see that when the Yemen the Funya can say anything so now." Back to Oliver Omevona Semnibio. I'm an economic freedom fighter. My government was under IMF. Now my government is no longer under IMF conditionalities. Me economic freedom fighter. Me say no, we should go and do a coup d'etat. What sense is that? Me ma buy wohono. Ye call IMF conditionalities. I say. Me economic freedom fighter. Obi ebe yi me free IMF ho. Yet me say. The away me free IMF no more yenti yanko coup d'etat mfentu no. Na Ghana ni support to side way. Mama papa nyasa be ne. Let's be real. What is the sense in it? Metiwe, I want jobs for the youth. I don't think a policy like one district, one factory is something I should embrace. Because I'm an economic freedom fighter. These factories are going to produce what we will consume and also export. And in any country, if you want your economy to grow, you must be able to produce. I say one kasa utumi eden, who produce niama obeden, ubedi. When niama ubedi, they say utumi duya bibri na one as utumi manufacture bibri na ukruna uyeden, utimonoso. And unti metiwe me economic freedom fighter. Me pese me maino. Ujai niama bibri ba sebe o crack reframa no nebano because se o crack niama reframa no nebano e yisika e na wo koyeden. Odeko. You are taking money or you are changing your currency, the Ghana currency, and taking money to go and buy something from Amanone. Now they are back. And so to me, one kasa sebe. If you can do that thing in your own space and in your own country, it is a plus for you economically. One of the pillars of the economy is being able to produce for your own self, productivity. Productivity is one of the biggest, a country being able to produce for itself. I'm an economic freedom fighter. There is a policy like one district, one factory. Government through private sector are putting up factories and reviving old factories that are dead so that we can have more jobs. Because with jobs, our youths are going to have the capacity to take care of themselves. Because on one kasa be juma, no one kasa pay. Into factories, and yes, they are young kasa yebe consume keke na brain, and I say a tea ye near my craft raman on no so name boom, a sounds to the juma bre in mebuno, ama bebunu near juma ye, ama sikabo munsem, na almost to me the idea almost the action almost that and this a we economic freedom fighter now catch them say government the one district one factory aba now catch them say our government ni mo yanko eku di time fentu na chere baby a free ba o pese ndc ba power keke say the be a obenya baby ahye you are not about Ghana because you are champion and say and kolenya jumanya. These are the things you are saying. You want the kids to have a job, you want Nkolano to get a job, you want Nkolano to get a job. That is fine. Now there is a factory which will bring what? Which will bring jobs. So one district, one factory should be something. And Kamene Oliver Wemavoa and I would have put more pressure on the government to build more of these factories and also to resuscitate those ones now that has been depleted or otherwise immobile. But instead, we rather hate the president than as a by now or no the one district, one factory abana. Not only say didn't nyoma ye be here or man beba na yenya biso dia kwama no ne akoton enya foreign exchange no e de adwuma so brain adwuma de brain e bi ne sen akuafo e bekọ akofa raw material de aba e benya adwuma akuafo e bekọ akofa raw material ne de aba e benya adwuma one ya wo mo be process raw material no so no wo mo so anya adwuma ade a ye de sa raw material ne be ye no eno also no e create adwuma. One year a beba be fan wholesale any juma. 1 year beba to every wholesale for no akoton so any juma. One more beba to every store. Eddie akom bojo con tabletop so akoton no so almost when juma. So you can see the effect of factories if they are properly built and properly situated. You can see the impact it can have on unemployment. If our problem is reducing the unemployment gap, if the freedom fighters really claim say unemployment bafoma, then one district, one factory should be one of the champion policies. And some could be our joiner say you should join. But no, they were you want to come. No, I will say about the no nunum fine boy, no they are cutting a radio station. Near my working in Nyansen because the Nyansa will me two way. Last, maybe some question way. Now, I want you people who are critical thinkers to think with, just think with me. I'm an economic freedom fighter. I want my economy or I want my country to do better economically. I want the hardship in my country to reduce. For hardship in my country to reduce, any right-thinking person would look at something we call jobs because it's the jobs you do that would actually give you the money in order for you to take care of your bills and also let you prosper. Because I don't see, unless I'm robber, I don't see how you are going to be able to generate money to get that economic freedom that you are looking for. So take it this way. A simple analysis of Oliver Wemavoni Jimmy na Ujimi na Ghana for almost supporting on radio. Me economic freedom fighter. Time wana me presidential staffer no. Oliver no, the also cool the time Ghana no. Time wana oye presidential staffer no. Na Ghana ya membu no eshe Bruni ensa. Tieniye. Oye economic freedom fighter yo yate. Opese Ghana ye economically yo yate. Oman sube ye economically ya. Say ni muni pan benye adwuma ye. Na omotumia tuya omokoda. Na omosomenya be the easy hardship. It's what determines say economically you are free.